Lena hadn't seen her father in years. Tonight, she wanted to cook his favorite meal.
The pan sings as she sears the beef. That sound, that scent, she remembers it from childhood. She brushes the pastry, glazes the roots, and smooths the potato puree until it shines.
He takes a bite of the beef Wellington, closes his eyes, and for a moment, time stops.
Tastes like home.
They talk, they laugh, and for once, it feels like nothing was ever lost.
Because sometimes, love doesn't need words, only flavor.